In today's video, we're going to be discussing an upcoming significant event, the US government's massive emergency alert drill. Get ready to hear a lot of phones buzzing. On Wednesday, October 4th, starting at around 2:20 p.m. Eastern Time, TVs, radios, and cell phones across the US are set to receive a message. This initiative is a collaboration between the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, and the Federal Communications Commission. The goal? To check the efficiency of the current system, designed to warn the public about national emergencies. Imagine this, the same alert sound ringing across the nation, all at once. It's surely going to be a unique experience. The expected message will read, "This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No action is needed." Depending on your device's language settings, you might receive this message in Spanish.